Guys, today I'm sharing with you the DXR Pro baby monitor, sharing my point of view, but also taking you through all the attachments that it comes along and how this works. So I'll tell you what all you'll receive as a part of this kit. So this is basically the device that you place where your baby is. Guys, this device can be placed on a station. You can also wall mount it with the help of this thing, so that's inclusive. There is a precaution, kind of a list that you might want to go through. Of course, the manual, user manual. This is the monitor, on which you literally watch the baby. So you can see it's massive. There are all sorts of features. So of course there's an on and off button. It says the brightness button. There is also like this volume button which helps you adjust. We have the zoom feature. It's not visible, but it's written here, zoom. And there's this feature which says talk, so you can utilize this as well. So you have this wire, other one. So each of these respectively go to the, you plug into the monitor and the baby device. So guys, first things first, this is the device you need to pick up. So this thing I've already plugged in, but you will get to see this socket and this wire. This will come separately. So it's very simple. You just plug it in tightly, and we have the on off button here. So I'm gonna switch it on. See, the moment I did that, there is a green light flashing. So this is ready to be stationed where your baby is. Guys, this can also be mounted on the wall. I'm going to be stationing it here on the side table to show you guys. I'm just utilizing this hair curling cream bottle. So this is what we are trying to capture, just to make you guys understand this better. So this is the device, the second device, again inclusive in the kit. You get this wire in the kit and just plug it. And on the sides here, you have the power on off button. Guys, there's also an option of increasing the brightness. We can change the volume. So there are all sorts of settings here. So guys, I'm just going to switch it on. Right, and you'll see. The moment I've done that, the device which I've stationed in front of the bottle is actually capturing the bottle, which in your case is going to be the baby. So if I want to reduce the brightness, see, I can do that. I can increase the brightness again, so the picture becomes brighter. And as I said, here are the volume controls as well. Guys, one very cool feature which this baby monitor has, which no other baby monitor has, is you can, there is this feature of noise reduction. So you can actually reduce the voice that, let's say, other gadgets, the fan, ceiling fan, or a cooler or an air conditioner is making, so that you can just listen to your baby's voice, because this will automatically reduce all the other background noises which are there. So really lightweight, slim, portable, just keep it anywhere in the house, carry it along, and really simple to use. Alright guys, that's all from my side for today. I'll see you again with yet another useful video.